Dear friends, have a good day. Here in this video, today we are going to look at how to draw a simple bar diagram. A picture is worth of 1000 words. A chart is worth of 1000 sets of data. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how we can use graph in Excel to visualize our data. First off, what is chart? Charts are a powerful way of graphically visualizing your data. Excel has many types of charts that you can use depending on your needs. Charts are usually used to analyze trends and patterns in data sets. You can also draw charts to compare set target against actual achievements. Simple bar diagram. Simple bar diagrams are used to compare things between different groups or to track changes over time. However, when trying to measure change over time, bar graphs are best when the changes are larger. A simple bar chart is used to represent data involving only one variable, classified on a spatial, quantitative, or temporal basis. In a simple bar chart, we make bars of equal width but variable length. That is, the magnitude of a quantity is represented by the height or length of the bars. Draw a suitable bar diagram to the following data. Here the data has been given as year from 2002 to 2007, and then its corresponding profits are 15,000, 18,000, 20,000, 16,000, 13,000, 17,000. To draw a simple bar diagram, do the following steps. Step 1. Open an Excel workbook and enter the given data. Step 2. Select the cells that contains the data you want to use for the chart. Step 3. Click the Insert menu to create a chart. Then the tools available in the Insert menu will be displayed on your screen. There choose the chart type, whichever you want to create. Then the chart is placed on the worksheet as an embedded chart. If you want to place the chart in a separate sheet, you can change its location. Step 4. Select the graph and choose the design menu from the menus and click on select data and then click on edit button. Step 5. Select the year from 2002 to 2007 and then click OK. Step 6. Now select layout menu and click on chart title to edit the title. Step 7. Give the title as simple bar diagram. So this is the procedure to create a simple bar diagram using Microsoft Excel. Now let's do the step one by one. So this is the opening screen of my desktop. First off, click the start button here. Then the screen will look like this. There you can find the Microsoft Excel icon. So click here to launch Excel. Then it will take some time to launch Microsoft Excel. Then this screen will open. Now click here to create a blank workbook. Now you have successfully launched the Excel workbook. This is the workbook we have created. Now we are going to enter the data you want to create a chart. So now the given data has been entered in the created worksheet. So here we have entered the data. And then what you have to do is select the cell that contains data you want to create a chart. So here we have selected the data we want to create a chart. So this is the data we have selected. Now select the Insert tab in the menu bar. So this is the Insert tab. Click here. Then what will happen is the tools available in the Insert menu will be displayed. So these are all the tools available in the Insert menu. It will be displayed on the screen. So these are all the tools available in the Insert menu. Now click here to create a bar chart. So click here. Then what will happen is, this option box will open. There you can find the option more column charts. So click the option more column charts. So click this option more column charts. Then the insert chart tab will open on your screen. So this is the insert chart tab. Now click here to create the simple bar chart or column chart. Then the chart will be inserted on your Excel worksheet. Now click here to edit the chart title. So click here to edit the chart title. Now the title has been edited as simple bar chart. Here it has been edited. Now click here to choose the layout. Quick layout. Then the available layouts will be displayed on the screen. So these are all the layouts available in the quick layout menu. So these are all the layouts available. Here we have chosen the layout 7. Here we have chosen the layout 7. After clicking the layout, now click here to edit the x-axis title. Now click here to edit the y-axis title. Finally, the simple bar chart has been created and it has been shown below. So here the x-axis title has been edited as years and the y-axis title has been edited as profits. Now let's take a look at another example. Draw a simple bar diagram to the following problems. Excuses for being late to class has been given in the following table. Excuses, number of person, I got stuck in traffic. 14% have said that I got stuck in traffic. I forgot to set my alarm. 5% have said that I forgot to set my alarm for being late to school. And 8% have said that I thought it was Saturday. And 23 students have said that I thought it was language class. These are all the excuses given by the students for being late to the classes. Now we are going to draw a simple bar diagram to this data. Now we are going to enter the data. We want to create a chart. So the data has been entered successfully. Now select the data. Select the data and then go to insert menu. Click the insert menu. Then the tools available in the insert menu will be displayed. There choose the simple bar chart and then choose more column chart option. Then the insert chart tab will be displayed on your screen. There choose the type whichever you want and then click OK. Then the chart will be inserted on your current worksheet. Now the chart has been inserted successfully in our current worksheet. Then place the chart wherever you want. So select the chart and move the place where you want to insert the chart and then edit the chart title. So now we are editing the chart title. This is called the chart title is excuses for being late to school. So that is why here you have typed excuses for being late to school as a chart title. and then go to design menu. Now the chart has been inserted. Now click the design menu to select the design layout. So these are all the layout available in the design menu. So here you can select which design you like. So select the chart and then click the design tab and then select the design whichever you want. After inserting chart, do the following to design the chart. So click the design tab and then select the design whichever you want. So after selecting the design, the chart would have been changed the design as per your selection. Now the chart has been designed. Now I am going to give you an example for you. Draw a simple bar diagram to the following problem. Result analysis detail for the past 5 years. Years and a pass percentage has been given. So draw a simple bar diagram to the above data. I hope that everyone would have got a clear idea about how to create a simple bar diagram with the help of Microsoft Excel. Thank you.